Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to Settings. Do this now. Tap Privacy, then select Reels and Remix controls so you can change share behavior. Make sure the reel you want to stop sharing is accessible, either a draft or the published clip. This matters because controls affect saved versus posted content differently. Once you see Reel settings, you'll be ready to change who can share or remix your content. So pause and confirm you're in the right menu before moving on. Now you'll dive into the meat of it. Flip the specific toggles that control sharing. In Reel settings, disable Allow Resharing to Feed and Allow Remix so strangers can't redistribute your clips. For individual reels, open the reel, tap the three dots, and choose Turn Off Remixing or Disable Allow Reshare. Do this for any post you want private. Also, make sure linked accounts like Facebook aren't set to cross-post, because those connections can recreate sharing permissions even after you change them here. Finish by confirming the changes. Use a second account or Instagram's view as preview to ensure sharing and remix options are off. If you still see sharing active, clear the app cache, log out and back in, and if needed, revoke and reauthorize connected app permissions. These steps refresh settings. Make sure your account privacy matches your intent. Switch to a private account if you want stricter control. One troubleshooting tip: if cross-posting remains, disconnect the external platform and recheck the reel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.